there you have it, 68 points higher on the Nifty. The Sensex is up about 240 odd points and the Bank Nifty is up almost 200 odd points. What's leading from the front this morning? Good opening, by the way. All four indices in the green and the advance decline ratio well in favor of the advances. What's leading from the front is Tata Motors, Hindalco, BPCL, Asian Paints, Cipla, Bajaj Auto and Bajaj Finance. These are your top gainers on the index. Apart from that, Hero MotoCorp, by the way, numbers tomorrow. Ahead of that, the Hero is up about 0.6%. Nestle India is up about 0.5%. HDFC Bank, BPCL and Coal India are a couple of other stocks that are trending in the green right now. It's a decent opening, but there are also some losers. UPL is down about 1%. Bharti Airtel, ahead of its earnings, is down about 1%. M&M is down 0.5%. Britannia, ONGC and Titan are also a couple of other stocks in the red this morning. So not a bad opening at all. Nifty up about 60 odd points. Lots of interesting stocks in focus in the broader markets. DLF, Blue Star. Blue Star, in fact, is up 5% right now. So good set of earnings coming through. Nigel, it's the mid-cap space where there's a big party going on.
Well, that's right, Sonia, and that's good to see because yesterday actually that index was underperforming. Let's run you through a few stocks that are doing well. KPIT Technologies, we'll have the management in a short while from now. Yesterday the stock ended higher. Today it's up closer on 2.5%. Pidilite is up closer around 4%. That one's flying away as we speak. A couple of other notable big movers. Suven Life, big volumes out there. That stock is up closer around 8%. On Inox Wind, there's a large trade that's taken place, and that's why that stock is down closer on 6%. That's flashing for you at the bottom of the screen. We'll try to get you more details on that front. So that's down closer around 6% odd. Few more big gainers. Mangalore Chemicals, stock is doing well. Vesuvius, we told you the numbers are good. Volumes are still on the lower side, but that stock as well is up closer around 8%. DCX Systems, well, they as well delivered numbers. That stock as well has opened well in the green to kickstart trade. And CMS Info Systems, post its numbers, the stock had pulled back closer around 355 odd. As we speak, you have CMS Info Systems that's now up close to around 6% or thereabouts. So that's recovered all of the losses we saw post its numbers and moving pretty well. Siemens is well under pressure. That's down closer around 1.5%. Prashant, what else?
Nigel, so the market's actually given up some gains, right? It's only about 40-45 points higher. KEI is down 4%, 4.5%. So stocks at about, 2370 or so. And it's got decent-sized volumes. Gokuldas, the management was just with us. I mean, the pre-open was indicating a 6% cut. It's down 7.5%, about just under 800, 793 or so on Gokuldas. It's been a big outperformer even before that acquisition and post that acquisition as well. But now it's down on the back of the numbers. Surprise sort of contraction there. You got Pidilite, which is up 4%. Nimesh was just highlighting that upgrade which came through. What else? CMS Info we highlighted. Jindal Saw was a big mover yesterday. It's up another 3.5-4% this morning. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. By close, I think Ujjivan was down yesterday. It's up 3.5%. So there is some recovery which is coming through in Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. There is Suven, which is up about 4%. NCC is up about 2%. So yeah, but volumes are still a little on the lower side. Macrotech is up about 3% or so, 780. Daawat, which reported numbers, I think, yesterday or day before, that's up about 2%, 166. Decent-sized volumes. So things are opening up, but it's a little participation, at least it's not, huge out of the gates, right out of the gates. Maybe it'll pick up. The Nifty is tapering as we speak. It's about 30 points, 35 points higher. So we are at 19,175. Let me just mark the day's high. The day's high was made at 19,233. So we're about 60 points off the day's high on the Nifty as things stand right now.